I'm a 25-year-old university dropout and I make over 6 figures every single month trading using my phone. And if you're in your 20s, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process that I followed to make 6 figures every single month. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Number one is time. Obviously, right now you have more time in your hands than money. And this is the only resource that you have, frankly speaking. So you have to use it to your best ability. And how do you do that? Number one is learning a high income skill, i.e. trading. Now, here is where most people get it wrong. Most people quit their job and start trading without even knowing whether or not they are going to make money. So what I recommend you do with your time is spend 4 hours every single day learning how to trade, and then spend the rest of the 24 hours, 20 hours, figuring out how you are going to make more money that you can use trading to multiply. So step one, 4 hours a day, every single day, invest into learning how to trade. Then the second thing you need to do is you record your journey. Here's the thing. We are living in the age of social media, and attention is the new currency. So the best way for you to start making money with your rest of the 20 hours remaining in your day is recording your own journey. Show people your mistakes, your wins, your struggles, your progress, and they are going to resonate with you. They are going to grow with you, and most importantly, they are going to keep you accountable. When you know that you have a responsibility to give out information that is correct and honest, then you'll find that it's far much easier to stay disciplined and to continue pushing forward because people are looking up to you. Number three is expect no results for 2 years. I guarantee that if you start learning a high income skill today, you are not going to make money in 6 months or even 1 year, especially if you are dead broke. You have $0 in your account. Then you are going to work some many odd jobs for 2 years, at least, if you are consistent enough. And once you get your audience and you get everything running, it becomes far much easier because you have leverage. However, in order for you to get to that leverage, you need to put in that work. So put in the work and don't expect any results for 2 years. Then after that, you will start making some decent amount of money from YouTube or sponsors, or even people who are reaching out to you because they want to learn with you or they want to support you. Now, once you start getting in some income, then you can use this income to invest in mentors. Because the one thing that separates winners from losers is that winners identify the people who are winning, and then they just go and learn, hey, what are you doing that is making you win? While losers, they try to reinvent the wheel, they try to do it all on their own. It's far much easier when you can invest in a mentor. But it's far much harder to invest in a mentor when you are broke. So investing in a mentor comes later on down the line when you are generating some income. Now, once you get a mentor, the next thing is to go all in on the skill now. So if it's in trading, go all in on prop firms, go all in on affiliates, go all in on trading your own accounts, just making sure that you are putting in the reps as much as possible with capital so that you can compound that growth. Then the last thing you need to do is invest in a team. So investing in communities, investing in support, investing in people who, or bringing in people into your circle who are taking the roles or doing the work that you don't want to do. For example, right now, I am recording this video, but I don't want to edit it. So I'll have somebody edit it. So what I'm just saying is that this is a continuous journey of growth. And the people at the top, they are still doing the same 4 things every single day. They wake up, take a shit, trade, and go do other things. However, behind all of that, there is a team that is making sure that the machines are running. So when you have money, invest in a team, invest in employees. It's going to change your life. So now you have a blueprint of exactly how you can make money in your 20s just trading.